What's up, y'all? It's your girl Give You Face, and I am back yet again with another video. So today we're going to be doing this look here. I had a different vision for it. It ended up, this is what it ended up being, but it ended up coming out pretty edgy, pretty cute. So yeah, this is what we got going on. We used the Firce by Nature 3503 palette by Morphe. So if you guys have never seen her, this is what she looks like. Very pretty. We're about to get into the sleigh. And you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for the support. Help me reach 2K. We are getting there slowly but surely. But you guys have been so supportive, and I really appreciate it. Also, make sure to go follow me on Instagram at giveyouface, TikTok too, because I make fun videos for makeup. So make sure to follow me on TikTok at giveyouface4, the number 4. And yeah, don't forget to, you know, say hi. You know, don't be a stranger. Like some photos, like my videos, and give me a follow on both of those on social media. I also have a Facebook at giveyouface. So yeah, go ahead and follow me, sis. You guys have been so supportive, and I really thank you guys. Also, don't forget, if I didn't say so already, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know the next time I drop a video. So we're going to be doing this look today. Like I said, I paired it with this cute Fashion Nova hoodie. And I got a Fashion Nova haul coming for you guys pretty soon too. But this says, know your worth, then add tax. So I thought it was really cute. It's an oversized hoodie. It's in the size small. So stay tuned for the Fashion Nova haul I got coming for you guys. It will be a clothing haul, and it will be me just showing a couple of different pieces. And it'll also be, I'll probably pair some makeup looks with a couple of the outfits. That way you guys can kind of have an idea, like, what kind of makeup should I do with these outfits. So this is the look that I paired with this one, so you guys will be seeing. Anyway, let me stop rambling. Let's get into this video, sis, and I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, so first I'm going to be taking this plum color out of the palette, and I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush, just taking that throughout the outer corner, the crease, and the inner corner. Next, I'm going to be using this red, and I'm going to be taking it right on top of that plum color and just making sure that is nicely blended in afterwards. You will see me taking a orange shade and taking it right on top of that red, just blending all 3 colors together, and just keep blending until you get the colors that you want, and you know how blended you want it to be, of course. Next, I'm just going to be taking this cream color in the corner, and I'm going to be taking it on the top of my brow bone to kind of diffuse all of the colors, or basically just that orange and red. and that way there's no really harsh lines. Afterwards, you'll see me taking my P. Louise base, and we're just going to be taking this in the middle. This is the white one, of course, and we're going to be doing a halo eye. Going back in with that plum color, I'm going to be doing the sandwich technique, and I'm just going to be taking it in the inner and the outer corners of the eye. After that, you will see me taking a red and doing the same technique on the inner and the outer corner, and then I'm just going to be taking a bright orange and then packing that in the middle. Here I'm going to be taking a NYX glitter. It's more of a transparent look. That way it's not taken away from the orange. I just want that pop right in the middle. So I'm just taking this right very in the middle where I did that orange, so we'll have a little bit of sparkle. Now I feel like I don't really do wings anymore. I just kind of, I don't know, I just grew out of it, but I felt like this look needed a wing. So I'm taking my NYX vinyl liner in black, and I'm just going to be creating my wing. This is going to be like an edgy kind of look. Here I'm just going to be quickly speeding through my foundation and highlight and contour routine. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay in 330. Then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay in 320 for the concealer. For my contour, I'm just going to be going in my contour kit by the Crayon Case. Here to finish off the look, I'm just going to be going in with a darker orange color from the palette. And I'm just going to be going underneath my eyes here, and then you will see me using a black liner. Lastly, I'm going to be finishing off with a NYX lipstick. I forgot the name, but I'm going to put it in the description box below, so be on the lookout for that. I've had it for a while, so I think the name may have rubbed off, so I will see. But yes, this finishes off the look. I hope you guys liked this and enjoyed. Stay tuned for my fashion haul with Fashion Nova and the looks that go along with them. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know the next time I drop a video. Thank you guys so much for watching and so much for the support as always, and I will see you guys in my next video.